Hello everyone, I am Lieutenant Dr. M. Lydia Rajakumari, Assistant Professor of the Department of Microbiology, Indira Gandhi College of Arts and Science, Pondicherry. Today we will be seeing about host-parasitic relationship. Microorganisms have been classified into saprophytes and parasites. Saprophytes are those organisms which feed on dead organic matter. Parasites are those organisms which live in the host. Parasites may be either pathogens or commensals. Pathogens are the organisms that are capable of causing disease, or the disease-causing organisms are referred to as pathogens. Commensals are those organisms which live in complete harmony with the host. So the host, it may be either a plant or an animal in which the parasite dwells. The organism which dwells in the host is referred to as a parasite. So usually the parasite gets nourishment and also it gets its shelter from the host. The relationship between the host and the parasite is said to be dynamic. If the parasite is strong, it is able to cause disease. If the host is strong, that is the immune system is able to kill the parasite. So these are the terms which are associated with the host-parasitic relationship. Infection. Infection is referred to as a lodgement and multiplication of the organisms in or on the tissues of the host. Infectious disease is said to be the rare consequence of infection. Pathogenicity is the ability of the organism to cause the disease. Virulence is the degree of pathogenicity. An organism may be highly virulent, less virulent, or avirulent. If the organism is said to be highly virulent, it means that few number of organisms are required to cause the disease. Example as in the case of Vibrio cholerae. Less virulent, here it means that many number of organisms are required to cause the disease. Example Salmonella typhi. Avirulent. Some of the organisms are said to be avirulent. That is, they don't cause the disease. Next is LD50, which is also referred to as a lethal dose 50. And lethal dose 50 refers to the number of organisms which when introduced into the laboratory animals will kill 50% of the animals. That is referred to as a lethal dose 50. And next we have lethal dose 100. Here it refers to the number of organisms which when injected into laboratory animals will kill 100% of them. This is also referred to as a minimal lethal dose. Infectious dose. It is a number of organisms which are required to cause a disease. These are the terms which are associated with host-parasitic relationships. Thank you.